I'm trying. A simple Stoic move today. Label it just an event. When the sky opens and rain hits the window, I don't call it miserable. I say, it's raining. When traffic stalls, I don't say this is unbearable. I say, traffic is slow. Events don't hurt me. My judgment does. The mind loves drama. It sticks labels on everything. Terrible, ruined, disaster. But labels create suffering. Remove them, and what's left is just reality. So today, when something goes wrong, I'll pause. I'll describe it like a camera would. A fact without commentary. Missed the train? The train departed without me. Email came in hot. Words appeared on a screen. Someone cut me off. A car changed lanes. Notice how the temperature drops when I strip away the verdict. This isn't denial, it's precision. Once I see the event clearly, I can choose a response clearly. Umbrella. Wait it out. Breathe. Change routes. Reply later. Kinder. Suffering begins when I call reality a catastrophe. Peace begins when I call it what it is, an event. So I'll practice. 10 times today, I'll catch a judgment and relabel it. If I forget, that too is an event. Start again. By tonight, I'll have trained a little more space between what happens and what I say about it. And in that space, stress loses its grip. Label it just an event, then choose the next right action.